I love this palette. I love the brightness of this palette. It is awesome. Hey guys, this is Jen of All Trades. Welcome back to another awesome video by me. So today I am doing a makeup video. Even though I said I'm not going to do these, we're gonna try it again anyway. This is just such an awesome palette that I had to show you what I came up with. So anyways, as you can probably see in the title, I am doing a makeup tutorial just to show my look. There's a couple different looks that I've come up with from this palette so far. And this is just my favorite one. Even though it doesn't match my hair, since I colored it, it's still my favorite one. So I just want to show you what I came up with. So anyways, this is the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. It's kind of dirty from me touching it and stuff. But it's super vibrant, bright colors. As you can see, I've been using it. But yeah, so we're going to use these bright, awesome colors today. And I know there's a lot of crap going on with Laura Lee right now, and if you don't know, you can just search it anywhere on YouTube with all the drama, but I can't knock her palette because it's awesome. So anyways, I'm just going to get right into it. We're going to zoom in real quick and I'll show you my eye and we'll get started. Alright, so I went ahead and got my headband on, so it's not in my face. But I am using, this has been my go-to brush ever since I got it. This is the BH Cosmetics Flat Shader Brush. There you go. So, the very first color I'm starting out with is called Drinks. This is the orange color, which is my favorite one. It's really beautiful. I'm going to start with this on the outer corner. And I like to pack this color on because it's such a vibrant color that when you pack it, I just feel like it gets more of the color to show. And I take that right along the top. There we go. Kind of blend it as I go too, kind of. And I just literally layer and layer and layer and layer. Alright. And before I do any kind of blending, I'm going to clean off this brush, take the same brush, and then I'm using the pink color Bottoms Up. And I don't know if you can see it. You see all that sparkly? It is it's a glittery color, very glittery. I don't know if you'd say shimmer. It's just a very pigmented, glittery kind of color. And that goes right on my lid and towards the inner corner. And kind of blend that out into the orange. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Blending Eye brush. It's just a little blendy brush. And we're going to blend all of this out. I just want to say that these colors are so pigmented. There's no fallout, and they do blend very well together. Or out. Okay. Looking a little crazy right now, but hold on. The next thing I'm going to do is not part of the Laura Lee palette, but this is my transition shade. This is my BH Cosmetics Modern Matte palette, which is another go-to of mine. But in this, I really, really love this light pink that's right here. We're going to take that right in the top and kind of blend everything. I guess it's kind of like a brow bone highlighter slash thing because it's such a light color. Alright, and then what I do after I get that top one on, I just go back again to reiterate the orange and the pink just to make sure it's really packed on there nicely. Alright, and then again with the pink. Okay, and then again blend it out. And then next, I'm just going to do my lower lid, the same process, kind of. I'm using, this is just it says an eyeliner, but it's the smallest, little bitty. This is from EcoTools, my littlest brush that I have. So I'm again going in with the orange drinks. Get you some drinks, girl, on this side. Then again with the bottoms up color, the pink on the inner. And again, I just pack it on. And then blend the two. And that is that look. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. All right, now that I have both eyes done, this is the final result of the eyeshadow look. Do you see the glitter in the pink? Very nice, very nice. All right, I'm gonna do my eyeliner, some wings, some mascara and lashes and all that good stuff, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have everything on. I did put some lipstick on just to kind of complete the look, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I know it looks kind of crazy in the beginning, but these two colors go together so well. I love it. I love this palette. I love the brightness of this palette. It is awesome. So it does retail for $19. I did get it in my BoxyCharm subscription box, which I am very, very thankful that they included that. It's just awesome. It is recommended that you use this palette with a wet brush in order to get the full pigment. I didn't even do that, or put a primer on my eyes, and this is the result with no primer. So, wow. So that's good stuff right there. So, yes. So anyways, I hope that you guys like this video. I may be doing a blue and purple look that matches my hair. It is crazy how much these two colors right here match, these two. They match my hair color to the T, and it's so awesome. So if you guys like this tutorial and you want to see another one with some different colors, or like I said, the one to match my hair, give it a thumbs up and let me know that you do want to see another makeup tutorial by me. So yes, hope you guys like it, and if you're not already, subscribe for more awesome videos. I have lots of good stuff coming up. Stay tuned for that, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.